Silver's explosive run. Here's why $50 an ounce is closer than you think. The word explosion is all you could use for silver. Momentum is just too tame. That's not what we're experiencing. The whispers are turning into shouts. $50 an ounce is not a dream anymore. We are just inches and we're moving up there. This silver breaking resistance, it's just chewing through every ceiling that has been placed in front of it. No one saw this coming. No one. We knew people were feeling anxious about Fed decisions, but we never thought silver was going to move like this. It has got everyone on their toes, and really it's driven by forces that are beyond speculation. That's the speculation days, the fear of missing out days for silver. Those are long gone. That's not what's moving this price. We're sitting on a record industrial demand for this metal. Solar, EV, AI, everything that's requiring this metal. And year after year, that deficit, this is a fifth year. We're going to head toward the sixth year running of a deficit. And that's why we're seeing this price move. It's exactly it. The supply is shrinking. There's a finite amount of metal. That's why it's called precious metal. Dealers are reporting delays. Premiums are rising. And that's what really tells you. When you see premiums rising, that tells you that dealers know something that you and I, as regular guys, regular stackers, we don't see it. They're seeing it. The last time we got to 50 was almost 15 years ago. And back then, it wasn't demand. That's not what was moving it. Supply was not strained. It was really fear of people that was sending people to this metal. Even inflation back then, it wasn't as sticky as we're seeing it now. Nothing close. So all of those factors, that's what we have today for this metal. That's the new piece. And that's why we know, old school stackers like myself and you guys that have been doing this, we know that this isn't noise. It's not hype. This is silver. We're going to be past $50. We're going to blink our eyes and be past, and we're going to be talking about $60 silver. Can you believe it? I mean, that's where we are. That's where we are. There's nothing stopping this. If you think you're going to sit back and wait for silver to drop back down to the $30 range, some were talking about, remember just a year ago, stackers were talking about silver dropping down to the high 20s. No way. We're doubling that. Can you believe it? That's where we are. You can't fight it. Get your own silver. Money Metals Exchange is giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Click that link down below. I put a link down there. It's a great company, Money Metals Exchange. Check them out. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles every single month. They do this every month. So click that link and get in on that contest.